Today, I'm going to walk through a quick and easy process for buying a vanilla gift card online. Let's dive in. First, start by choosing a reliable retailer or official website where vanilla gift cards are sold. Popular choices include websites like vanillagift.com, Walmart, or Target. Make sure the site is secure. Look for HTTPS in the URL and a padlock icon. Once you're on the site, choose Buy a Gift Card, then browse through the available gift card options. Vanilla offers various types and denominations, so pick one that suits your needs. Click on the card to choose it. Next, customize your card. Some platforms allow you to write a personalized message or select a different card design, especially if it's meant as a gift. Take a moment to add your personal touches. After customizing, add the card to your cart. It's a good idea to review your cart to ensure everything looks correct. Check the amount, personalization options, and quantity. Click on the Checkout button to proceed. Here, you'll need to enter your billing information. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid any purchasing issues. Choose your payment method and enter the necessary details. Most websites accept various forms of payment like credit, debit cards, or PayPal. Double-check the purchase summary, then click Purchase. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly after. And that's it. You've successfully purchased a vanilla gift card online. Remember to keep your receipt and confirmation email safe.